Hey guys, so I got another case, and I'm hoping this might be one of the last ones I get. Um, Usually, majority of the cases I get now are from AliExpress, just because you save half the price, at least half the price. So that's what it looks like. It's got hinge protection, space for the pen, pretty much 360 coverage. Even has a tempered glass, I believe, on the front. See? But I like this because of that big ass kickstand. There's like 3 levels to this kickstand that goes down. Yeah, see, front cover comes with HD tempered film, and you've got 4 levels on this, and it looks really beefy. So, looking forward to that. And for your pen, you can get different colors. I just get black. And it's 31 bucks. So let's unbox this thing and check it out. All right, with a knife. Oh, it's really protected too. Usually they don't even come with this. It comes in a box, like you see here, and that's it. But this has got a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, stick that there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Full 3. Let's crack this open. Nothing there. Yeah, this looks beefy, man. This is just filler. Put that there. Alright. Oh, I like the texture too. It's a nice rubberized texture. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So this is pretty simple. There's your HD. You would peel this off first. There's your hinge. This slides down. And here's the, yeah, I like this. It's a nice rubberized textured feel. I really like that. Oh, okay. It's pretty cool. It's like on little rollers here to adjust. Oh, I see. There. So you can adjust different levels. Does this go up? No. So this thing doesn't move up at all. It's just where it lands. Like that. There. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it would be sitting up like that. Pretty nice. Definitely a sturdy one. Alright, well, let's get the phone in here. I'm just gonna clean up the screen first. This seems to be my go-to case, just because it has your S Pen. I'm actually using a different pen because this one works just like your finger, and it also works on the front screen. So I've been using that. But this one is also like a texturized, rubberized feel to it. So I'm definitely liking that. But the kickstand isn't that great on this. So we're going to take this off. Whoops. Take that off, clean the screen, and then put the new one on. Clean the inside. And we'll clean this. Clean the hinge. Yeah, nice and clean. Clean the hinge. Clean this again. Alright, so let's get this thing on there. We've got some crap on there already. Now slap it on. Man. Alright, here we go. Slap it on. Of course, that's on the inside. Alright, so let's clean the inside. Face that down. Cleaning this one once again. Oh, kind of turning like a... Are you kidding me? Starting to turn into a shit show here. Okay, that's clean. That's clean. Let's go. Nice snug fit. And this should just clip right on. Nice. Very nice. Makes the spine pretty freaking fat. But let's see in comparison to this one. There's the case that just was just on there. So it's pretty much the same height. See? Pretty much the same height. Except this just feels bulkier because it's big. There you go. That's pretty cool. Just slides down, so I'll get my actual pen this came with. Okay, so there you can see it there. Full edition. So I usually put the flat side down this way. It's good. And that's it. Very nice. Very nice. I like it. It's rugged. Has nice coverage all the way around. It's got nice bumpers. Look how thick the bumpers are on these on the corners. And I just dropped this phone this morning too, coming down the stairs today. Nice. Nice access for your fingers. Double tap, hit that. Boom. It's good. Volumes accessible. All right. So, and then this. That's pretty nice. Let's see how this. What happens if I keep this open? Let's see. Okay, maybe you gotta close this first and then crack this open. Put this down. Oh yeah, okay. So it'll sit like this. Yeah, that's pretty sturdy for sure. Okay, I have to get a light so you can see. So that's pretty good. It's got a nice base. It's right in the middle, so you can lift it up like that, whatever viewing angle you want. Pretty nice, sturdy anyway. Good stuff. Okay, well that's and then to close this up, you just lift that latch up like that. And that's it. That's it. Pretty nice. Has the cutouts for your camera, fingerprint, all the proper speaker grills. It's good. And this is pretty sturdy. Slide out for your pen. Definitely nice. Good stuff. Well, hope you liked that video. I think this is now going to be my go-to. I mean, it's rugged. It feels great. It's got a soft rubberized texture to it. Definitely a good look. Z Fold 3. Samsung Z Fold 3. It's good, and it has nice bumpers on it. I like it. Oh, and this too. It has the built-in tempered glass, which is great. No problems, see? Very nice. I like it. Hope you liked it too.